You know you're about to have a great day when you receive a package with this logo on the box. Hi guys, this is Tom from Wine Valley Woodworks. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Crafted Elements Juice Groove Jig. I just unboxed my Juice Groove Jig. It comes with 4 fences. There's 2 long ones, 2 short ones. There's 4 screws that screw on the ends here to lock everything in place. I'm going to show you how easy this is to assemble. Super easy to adjust. Look at that. You don't want your router plugging the fence exactly with no overhang right here, or else you're just gonna have a juice groove jig right in the middle of your board. So what you wanna do, you wanna eyeball where you think you want your juice groove to be. I like to have mine just right there, roughly. Take one of the fences, place it right there, and then you're gonna measure the distance in between your cutting board and your juice groove jig fence. The distance between the fence and the juice groove jig is about 2 inches. So what I have to do, I have to make 4 blocks, one that goes on each side of my cutting boards. And then I'm gonna stick that in between where the juice groove jig and the cutting board is. All right, let's do that right now. I have my blocks for my juice groove jig. Make sure you do your own measurements. Don't just do the same measurements I did, because every router base is definitely different. Some are wider, some are narrower. Let's test this juice groove jig out and see how well it holds up. One thing I forgot to mention is just how thick and how sturdy the walls are on the fences. If you've ordered a router template from Crafted Elements, the first thing you notice is how durable those templates are. These fences are about twice as thick as the router templates. So yeah, you can expect twice the sturdiness at the very least, but I'm very happy how the fences held up. I'm always working on 5 to 10 boards per week at any given moment in my shop. And so one thing that's important to me is speed, efficiency, durability. This juice groove jig offers all that. It's so easy to put together, it's so easy to adjust, take apart, you name it. This is a great tool, and this is gonna be a staple in my shop for a long time. I'm absolutely happy with the results, how the juice grooves turned out on my board. If you're limited on shop space, you can always just take it apart and store it somewhere and reassemble it. Here's a clip of me using my old juice groove jig. You know, this jig works just fine. However, it just takes forever to assemble, disassemble, and not only that, I have to clear my workbench from my router sled to then assemble it and then take it back apart to put the router sled back on. It just became a hassle. That's why I love this new juice groove jig from Crafted Elements. You literally can make juice grooves anywhere in your shop. My boards that I make are always about 2 inches thick, and that juice groove jig was perfect. Crafted Elements, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and thank you for making great products for my shop.